Good luck, pilots. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Let's go, tone. Off to the races. Still in our preliminary round of our top 16. Took our field of 46 pilots. Went top 16, next 16. Finished up our championship of that not too long ago. And these guys now making a statement. Millennial Falcon was leading. Now it's going to be Boomerang FPV. And by him, over that hurdle section, Boomerang FPV with a fair bit of a gap here. 36.1 is opening lap onto lap number 2. Single core getting onto lap 2 as well. We lost Millennial Falcon. And Blue Vista doing his thing. Boomerang FPV, step left and back, left-hand side, up and over the hurdle. White flag flying, one more to go for Boomerang FPV at 33.6 on lap number 2. Sounds like he made some contact right after our start-finish gate. He's back up, though, because it's not the last one flying. We still have 3 here in heat number 3 in the air. The Boomerang FPV with a mistake, which now opens the door a little bit for single core. He's now 16 seconds back off of our leader. We'll try and get Blue Vista up with them. It's going to be the final lap here for Boomerang FPV and single core. Boomerang FPV at the bottom of the Stitch It Up section, chicaning his way over here to the back left-hand corner, doing the chicane, carousel down, and to our checkered line. Boomerang FPV 3 laps in a minute 50 to win that heat. He'll be moving to heat number 8, no channel changes. And we will wait for single core to finish things up. He will pull up second. He will go to heat number 8, no channel changes. Meanwhile, Blue Vista and Millennial Falcon, you're back in heat number 7. No channel changes for them.